Welcome to home cooking. It is easy, everyone can cook. Thai pork skewers Ping. Thai style grilled pork on a skewer recipe. It is among the most popular in Thailand. It is a great barbecue for kids and adults. The taste is so delicious. Cut pork into thin, bit-sized pieces, set aside. In the blender, add garlic. Add cilantro root and stems. Blend until smooth. Remove from blender into pork. Add ground black or white pepper. Add thin soy sauce. Add black soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add melt butter. Add palm sugar. I use hard palm sugar, so I cut into small piece, then melt it in microwave. Add coconut milk. Stir to mix well. Let marinate if you're in a rush. Put in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, but better if left overnight, it will make pork softer. Skewer the pork. Grill over medium to medium high heat about 2 minutes per side or until cooked. Serve with sticky rice. Enjoy.